What's up guys, Javier from That Racing Channel. So on this episode, we're here with Sean's 1997 SC400. Alright guys, here she is. So we got Sean's 1UZ powered 1997 SC400. It's actually an 8-cylinder 1UZ from Toyota with a pretty big turbo. What's up my man? How's it going? Good. Car's looking great. Excellent. Mind revving her up for us? Yeah. She sounds good, man. What's up, Sean? How you doing?
Doing good, doing good.
So we're here with your 1997 SC400.
Yep.
It's pretty sweet, man. Give us the rundown.
So, 97 SC400, it's got a 94 1UZ motor in it. Same motor as they came with, but it's got a thicker rod, so it's better for boost. Rarefab built the turbo kit, they built the exhaust, they built pretty much the whole car. They did build the whole car. It's a 6-speed CD009 shifter from Jason from CBF Performance. Collins adapter kits is the kit that adapted it to the engine.
So I see SC Kings on the front windshield there. So I guess all your buddies have 2Js.
Yeah, I'm the only one with the V8 turbo. There's a couple of V8 NA guys, but I'm the only one with a turbo. There's a guy down in Tampa named Ryan Allen. He's got a really badass twin turbo setup, but that car's a whole new level. This is baby steps.
Yeah, well, that's badass, man. I mean, I really appreciate the fact. I mean, a lot of people, I'm sure, will appreciate that you kept the Toyota Lexus family and went with a 1UZ. So that's pretty unique, man. So props on that.
Thank you, thank you. It's fun. It's challenging for sure.
This thing feels awesome, man. So give us a rundown. It made how much horsepower?
28 pounds. It made 781. Right now it's around 25 pounds. It's around 750 wheel. So we got turbo kit made by Rarefab, exhaust is made by Rarefab, the cooling system is made by Rarefab, the intercooler kit's made by Rarefab, the aero kit's made by Rarefab. I mean, they pretty much did the whole car. It's got a 6-speed transmission from a CD009, Collins adapter kits, and Jason from CBF Performance gave me the shifter.
Badass, man. Yeah, what's it tuned on?
It's a tuned on a MS3 Pro Evo by Jordan Tuckman, Powersquirt. Nice. One of the best tuners in the country.
That's badass, man. So that's a Mega Squirt.
Yeah.
There's rolling anti-lag in this thing, huh? It's so awesome. Gotta love it. And you got the, so you got a race pack dash?
Yeah, right now it's not, we don't have the speed sensor hooked up, that's why I'm using this app, but...
Gotcha, but
yeah,
that's what you use for RPM and...
Yeah, everything else.
Everything else. Very cool.
That right there is the air-fuel ratio.
Very cool, man. So what made you want to go with the 1UZ?
It's different. Everyone does a 2J. It's like a Me Too car. You got a SC400, Me Too. You got, or SC300, Me Too. You got a 2J, Me Too. 1J, Me Too. Same exact parts. Every time you go to a meet, same. You see the same thing over and over again. So I just said, you know what? I'm gonna change it up. Keep the 1UZ and boost that. And so far it's holding up, and so far it's been holding its own in the 2J world. Now,
if I'm not mistaken, I mean it's a stock bottom end, right?
Yeah. Right now I hold the current world record for stock bottom end horsepower at 781. The current the record before was 630, I believe. It's also the fastest SC400 stock bottom end. There's a guy.
It's wild, man.
Yeah, there's a guy with a turbo making 8.1s, but he's fully built.
Yeah, dude, that is awesome. Congratulations, man. That's pretty. It's ballsy at the same time, but man, this thing's been running hard for a good while. So
over 2 years now. You know, Jordan's Tune and Rare Fab is backing, and I have a good team behind me. It's really nice.
That's awesome, man. And this thing definitely this thing pulls real hard.
It's fun.
Oh yeah, we'll have to plug a few clips of you having some fun in Mexico, because you sure beat on this thing.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's what it's for.
So what are some of the coolest kills you've had in the car?
They call it the domestic abuser. So I got 2 Vipers, I've gotten the ZL1, a couple of other Camaros. Corvette, a lot of Mustangs. I've beaten a 1J truck. Well, actually, he beat me and I beat him, so we're tied.
It's a lot of kills, man.
It's a lot of kills. I got a lot of runs in this thing. I beat an M3. Fully bolt-on tuned M3.
It's badass, man.
I'm trying to think of anything else. Oh, at the track, I beat a Grand Sport, supercharged Grand Sport C7. That was my funnest run.
Oh yeah, badass, man. Badass. Well, this thing's you built one hell of a street machine.
Thanks, man.
Really, really, really appreciate you taking me for a ride, man.